Yeah, it's your boy Young Ice. Finna do a little freestyle for y'all. You see, I got the braids, can't do the fade. See, I got the damn Cowboys authentic. You see the motherfucking stretchy shit right here, authentic. See the in the face, see the Cowboy stitch. You know how it go, bitch. Now I'm gonna do a freestyle. Throw back like Nintendo, blowing on the endo, rolling in Impala, ain't got no tint on my window. Still I keep it cracked up, niggas be cracked up, selling in that crack stuff. Yeah, nigga fucked up. Yeah, I'm in the road ho. I be catching bows though. When I come through, they be like, damn, there he go. Oh, you is like a dodo. Y'all boys is extinct, man. Your clique is whack and my clique the shit, man. What the fuck you talking? Leave a hater walking. Never gave a fuck, motherfucker, what you talking. It's that young iceberg, yeah, I stay colder. Got the damn remote start on my car already. No Motorola. Yeah, I got the damn Motorola. Yeah, that's the click. Calling me a bit like ring ring, what it do? Might swing through, went to Seagoville School. Man, what it do? Representing for the D. I'm all tatted up, my nigga, can't you see? Rep the triple D. Yeah, can't you tell? Keep it 100, my nigga, what's the deal? Yeah, that's what I do. Yeah, that's what I say. I done came through with the fucking what phase. That's the straight back. Niggas get cracked. I'm coming like fucking Nicki Minaj cause I'm bring massive attack. What it do? Tell me what it is. I'm 50 Tyson. Yeah, that's the kid. Tell me what you're thinking. I done came through with the damn big banking. Man.